देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं
ततो जयमुदीरयेत् नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु
नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु
नित्यं भागवतः सेवया
नित्यं भागवतसेवया
भगवती उत्तमश्लोके
भगवते उत्तमश्लोके
भक्तिर्भवति नैष्टिकी
भक्ति भवति नैष्ठिकी
ग्रंथरा श्रीमद्भागवतम की षड्घट्टे भक्तों की जय। श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। हरे कृष्णा। See, in today's world, Shrotavyadini Rajendran Ram Santi Sahasrasa. Shrotavyadini meaning Hare Krishna. For listening, Shrotavya सुनने के लिए, Shrotavyadini Rajendran हे राजा, Nranam Santi Sahasrasha, hundreds and thousands of topics are there. लेकिन अपश्यताम आत्म तत्वम, इतना सब पढ़ के भी most of the public will be apashyatam, they cannot see the reality. Atma tattvam graheshu grahamedina, because इतना trapped है हर चीज में, चकाचौंध में, कि दूसरा कहीं ध्यान ही नहीं जा रहा है. But by Prabhupada mercy we are able to sit together and if you are sitting alone, just open Bhagavatam, कुछ एक श्लोका, you will enjoy it. शांति से चुपचाप बैठ करके. एक बार I remember our Guru Maharaj went to Pune. You must have heard of it. So there were full of 400-500 brahmacharis. So Maharaj said you should all get married. तो pin drop silence हो गया. So one brahmachari got up. Maharaj, what are you saying? Yes, you should get married to Srimad Bhagavatam. That's what you should do. Otherwise, four walls will eat you. The biggest difficulty is to how to engage, how to utilize the time. Mobile phone, laptop, email, something or the other. Mind cannot remain idle. How to engage it is very important. That is why apashyatam atma tattvam. Those who are connected to Srimad Bhagavatam pashyatam, then they can see. So, what is our today's first topic? It's a little funny topic. अगर पढ़ा है किसी ने तो बताइए. पहला टॉपिक है, अगर भगवान ने ठान ली तो. क्या मीनिंग इसका है जी? सही है. देखो, जो भक्त लोग होते हैं वो ढूंढ के निकाल लेते हैं कहाँ पे भागवतम हो रही है. जैसे इसने ढूंढ के निकाल लिया कहाँ पे टॉय है. देखो आप, दिस हाउ इट इज. सो अगर भगवान ने ठान लिया मतलब क्या है जी? हिंदी वाले बता सकते हैं. डिसाइड कर लिया. इफ कृष्णा हैज डिसाइडेड, then you see what can happen. It can happen anything, it may not happen anything, or it may not happen either thing or nothing. Kartam akartum anyatha kartum. It can be like that. So once what happened, there was a pious king. हाँ. तो ये एपिसोड जो है वो बताता है कि अगर भगवान ने ठान ली तो क्या हो सकता है, क्या क्या हो सकता है जो हमारे बुद्धि के परे है. तो एक पायस किंग था. तो एक बार क्या हुआ, वो उसको हिंदी ओके ना प्रभु. सो द किंगडम वाज अटैक्ड एंड दे वर किलिंग ऑल द फैमिली मेंबर्स ऑफ द किंग सो दैट देयर इज नोबडी लेफ्ट, then nobody to claim the throne. So they were killing. So this queen was there. She had a young boy. Very young boy, I mean newborn. So she called her maid servant. एक काम करो, they are going to kill us, it's okay. But you somehow smuggle this baby out. So that at least he will be saved. So the small boy was put in a fruit basket. She also changed her clothes completely, became like a dasi, very old clothes. So the attackers were asking, "What is in this?" He said, "Only fruits, sir. I'm a fruit seller." So they just checked, on top there were some fruits. Okay, go. So she left from there, she escaped. Some far away there was another kingdom. So she went there. That king was friendly to this king. So she said, met the king. She said, I am a maid servant. I can serve your kingdom. And I have a small baby to take care. So please give me some job. So she was expert in all the chores. She was at the end of the assistant to the queen. So she was taken, a test was taken, and then she got a job there. So one day what happened, when she was working and the boy was playing around. At that time, the Raj Pandit, this was at the king's minister. The king's minister name was Drashti Buddhi. She is now working at the king's minister. So Raj Pandit one day came to Drashti Buddhi's house and she was working and boy was playing. So Raj Pandit looked at the boy and he said, "My God." So Drashti Buddhi immediately was alarmed. "ए तुम लोग भी स्टोरी सुन सकते हो ये?" अच्छा वो चल रही है हनुमान चालीसा, ठीक है. So immediately she said, this Raj Pandit said, "Oh my God." So Drashti Buddhi was alarmed. He said, "What's wrong? Tell me." He said, "You see this boy? Maid servant boy?" He said, "Yes." "He is going to marry your daughter." This guy was furious. "What do you mean he is going to marry? He is a son of a laborer and he is going to marry. I am the chief minister of the king and he is going to marry my daughter?" Immediately he did one thing. He said, "Do one thing." He called his soldiers, "Come here. Take the boy. Take him to the jungle and kill him." Soldiers said, "Okay." Soldiers didn't want to, but no choice. So they took him to the jungle. The boy was very small, crying and all that. So they took little pity on him. They said, "Let's do one thing. He has 6 fingers. Let's cut one finger as a proof that we have killed this boy. And leave the boy here only in some small basket." So they did same. They cut the finger, took back home. King said, "Killed?" "Yes, sir, killed. Here a proof." "Okay, very good." And they left the boy in the jungle. Now he was crying. So there was another king who was there hunting. So when he heard the cry, he didn't have a son. So he saw. He said, "Oh, this boy, wow, this is God's gift to me." So he took the boy and took home. And now he is growing as the son of another king. This king had to pay taxes to Drashti Buddhi's son. They were under the same area. But he was not paying taxes for some time. So Drashti Buddhi came to meet this king. And he said, "You are not paying taxes. I am going to fight this, that." He said, "I will not pay." Suddenly he saw the boy. Drashti Buddhi. Immediately he recognized. He said, "These eyes I cannot forget. Even though he is grown up. This one is like, this is the same boy who the Raj Pandit said, this fellow will marry my daughter." No, it cannot be possible. He said, "Do one thing. You just give me the boy. Don't pay taxes." So he said, "That's all. He said, yeah, I will take care of him. So the boy also agreed. He was a little mature. He was almost now 17, 18. He said, okay, no problem. So he said, I am going somewhere else. Drashtabuddhi said, I will give you a letter. And in the letter he wrote, I am in a hurry. As soon as he reaches the kingdom of mine kingdom, Drashtabuddhi, give him wish. What is wish? Poison. Give him poison. जैसे ही उसने हिंदी में लिख दिया, किसी से पूछना मत, जैसे ही ये पहुंचता है इसको विश दे देना. बॉय को क्या मालूम, 17, 18, he is on the horse, he reached there, then he is tired near there was a garden near Drashtabuddhi's kingdom. So he was waiting there, he was tired, he fell asleep. Drashtabuddhi's daughter was in that area. He saw a very handsome boy sleeping and he has something in his pocket. So she opened. In that it was written, जैसे ही ये घर पहुंचे बिना किसी सवाल जवाब के इसको विश दे देना. उसकी डॉटर का नाम था विषया. उसकी डॉटर का नाम था विषया. तो उसने क्या किया, उसके पास में ब्लैक पेन था, इसको जाते ही विश दे देना, उसके आगे उसने लगा दिया उसने एक या लगा दिया. एंड शी वेंट अवे. अब ये उठा अपने आराम से, इसने जेब में देखा, हाँ भाई पेपर है. ही वेंट टू द विषयाज एल्डर ब्रदर, क्योंकि उसको एड्रेस था, इसको जाते ही विश दे देना. तो ही वेंट एंड गेव द पेपर टू विषयाज ब्रदर. Oh, my father is saying immediately without asking any question, give him Vishya. Oh, okay. I need not even wait for my father. Let's do it. अगर भगवान ने ठान लिया है ना, उसको बचाने का ठान लिया है, तो दुनिया इधर क्यों उधर है. और वो उसकी शादी कर दी विषया से. अब Drashtabuddhi came back after some time. Drashtabuddhi saw, what is this? What is he doing with my daughter? He is married to my daughter and there is a big festivities going on. So he said, क्या ये सब हो रहा है? बोला, सर आपने लिखा था इसको विषया दे देना, and we are celebrating. Welcome. So outwardly he couldn't say anything. Inside he is still not happy. He said, I am still going to kill him. How dare a son of a maid servant marry my daughter? So he said, listen, before you go home, there is a ritual that you have to first go to Mother Goddess temple. And then after that, you can come to my home. He said, okay. And he told his soldiers, as soon as he reaches there, chop his head off. So he said, you have to go there at 6 a.m. And he told, 6 a.m. whosoever comes, chop his head. A boy of 18 will come. He said, okay. Here the Jyotish, Drashtabuddhi's king, the astrologer, told Drashtabuddhi's king that, sir, this time is not auspicious for you. We need a king only for 5 minutes. After that, you again become the king. This time is not auspicious for you. He said, okay, so for 5 minutes, where should I search? So he sent person to Drashtabuddhi. Bhai, find one person. So Drashtabuddhi's brother, son was there. He said, who can be better than Vishya's husband? So he sent, and Vishya's husband said, but I have to go to the Kali temple. He said, don't worry, I will go. So he went to the temple And Vishya's husband, this maid servant son, went to king's place, and immediately he was made the king for 5 minutes. After 2-3 minutes, Drashtabuddhi came. He said, "What the hell is this? Who has gone to the temple?" Sir, your son. By the time he could check, his head was chopped off. And after 5 minutes, this king said, "I have done enough in this life. Let this boy be only the king." So, like this, no matter against all the odds, if Krishna has decided, we have said, huh? नाम बॉय का मुझे नहीं मालूम. This I know Drashtabuddhi's name only. But the thing is, in our lives also we would have noticed all the doors were closed. There was nobody there to help. But from somewhere, अगर कृष्ण ने ठान लिए तो कितना भी दिमाग लगाओ, nobody can. So this is the beauty, and that person, Krishna, is what is that? Please repeat. Bhoktaram yajna tapasam
भोक्ताराम यज्ञ तपस्या
sarvaloka maheshwaram
सर्वलोक महेश्वरम
suhृदय
सुहृदय
sarvabhutanam
सर्वभूतानां
gyatvam mam shantiracchati.
कामां शांति रक्षति.
That person is our suhrid. Suhrid Prabhupada translates as, any guesses? Suhrid means well-wisher, friend. Prabhupada writes intimate friend. He adds the word. Meaning, इससे पहले कि you will find out about yourself, he knows about yourself. That person is our friend. So इसलिए we have to keep reminding ourselves that such a person is with us, and therefore nothing to worry. क्या होगा? दृष्ट बुद्धि जैसे लोग every day in life we will get in the office, very at times they want to finish you off, but if Krishna has decided, his son was killed. हाँ, बोलो जोर से बोलो प्रभु. कृष्णा राखे
कृष्ण राके मारे कृष्ण
कृष्ण राखे हमारे
मारे कौन, और कृष्ण मारे राखे कौन?
जाके जाके मोर साईया मार सके ना कोई,
हाँ,
बाल भी बाका ना कर सके
जो जग बैरी. सही है बात. थैंक यू प्रभु. हरे कृष्णा. लेट्स स्टार्ट कैंटो 5. सो वी हैव डन 4 कैंटोस भगवान की कृपा से. हाँ, क्या समय हो गया प्रभु?
856.
ओके, वेरी गुड. वी हैव
This is repeatedly demonstrated no, by Krishna
Yeah.
everywhere. Mahabharata may be entire
not even a single fighter Arjun could have killed.
everyone was heavy.
Everyone was superior to him in a way or other. They had something. Karna had the Shakti, Vajra, Bhishma was प्रॉब्लम ये है, फिर भी मुझे चिंता होती है. मतलब दिस इज द लेवल ऑफ फॉरगेटफुलनेस आई हैव. इतना सब होने के बाद भी वी नो दैट विल बी टेकन केयर ऑफ. फिर भी कैंटो 5 ऋषभ देव अपीयरेंस इन वूम्ब ऑफ मेरू देवी. तो सुखदेव गोस्वामी सेड, सुखदेव गोस्वामी इज टेलिंग दिस टू Parikshit Maharaj. He said Swayambhu Manu is there. From him the son Priyavrat is there. Then his son is Agnidhar. And Agnidhra son is King Nabhi. And wife is Meru Devi. So they worshipped Lord Krishna along with all the paraphernalia. And Vishnuji appeared. So this is very interesting. Nabhi does not actually talk to Lord Vishnu directly. His priests are talking. Why? The priests are saying, all this paraphernalia you don't need Lord Vishnu. This is for our kalyan only, that we are offering all this to you. And All these sacrifices are performed for our fruitive results and they are actually not needed by you. And the priest said, Prabhupada writes, if we engage our money in constructing a temple, we are freed from the reactions of our endeavors. So the priest said, please forgive us that you have been called for a mundane thing which we are asking from you. Because King Nabi wants a son like you. We are very sorry. We know, the priests are saying, you can give liberation, you can give devotional service, but sorry, we are still attracted to the material energy. And therefore, and then the priest said, O Lord, for you are very affectionate to your devotees. Please help us remember you and utter your holy names, attributes and activities, which can dispel all the reactions of our sinful life. And the priest said, here is a great King Nabi, whose ultimate goal in life is to have a son like you. He is worshipping you for the son, just like you. Although you can offer him any exalted positions, including elevation to the heavenly planets or liberation back to Godhead, but sorry, he still wants a son like you. Prabhupada writes, wanting a son like God is also a form of sense gratification. Priest said, we are very sorry for calling you for our material benefit. Please forgive us. Vishnuji said, I am very pleased with you. And he began to speak. He said, where will I search for a son like me? I only will have to come. So he appeared as Rishabdev. Rishabdev ki. So consequently appeared as the son of Meru Devi in his original spiritual form, which is above the mode of material nature. In our office we have a lady called Jayanti. I need to tell her this. You know, Rishabdev married the girl named Jayanti. I didn't know this Jayanti name kahan se aa raha hai. You would have heard many times. And he had 100 sons in the womb of Jayanti. The eldest one was Bharat Maharaj. Thank you, Prabhu. And on that only the name Jad Bharat, second birth, Bharat Varsh. Yeah. One slight mistake. He left, Bharat Maharaj left his entire kingdom in search of Krishna, and just because of the Hiran ke chakkar mein, he had to waste one more life. So, before Nabi and Meru Devi, they decided to go to Badrika Ashram. But before that, see, in earlier days, even the kings, etc., they could leave all their paraphernalia, kingdom, this, that, everything, and then eventually go and in solitude to just chant and remember Krishna. So, Rishabdev, before going, gave 13 instructions. These are serious instructions to his sons. And he said, you should follow these. And he said, follow your elder brother, who is Bharat Maharaj. And he will guide you further after we are gone. So let us see how many teachings we can cover today till 9:30. 5.5.1. Please repeat. Rishabh Uvacha. Nayam Deho. Deha Bhajam. Nrloke. Kashtan Kaman. Arhat. Vigbhujam Ye. Tapo Divyam. Putrika. Yena Sattvam. Shuddhaye. Yasmad Brahma Saukyam Tva Anantam Nayam Deho Deh Bhajam. Nayam Deho. Deh is 5.5.1. If you want, you can take out. Nayam Deho Deh Bhajam. Nayam means not. Deho means 5-5. First instruction of Rishabh Maharaj, Rishabh Dev. Prabhu? There are 2-3 shlokas are very. This is one of the main teachings of Rishabh Dev. Nayam Deho Deha Bhajam. Nayam means not. Deho means Deha. Deha Bhajam. The living entities who accept the material bodies. Okay. In this material world, the living entities have got the material body, but Nayam Deho, it is not for what? Kashtan, Kaman, Arhat, Vibhum Gaje. Kashtan, ये बॉडी इसलिए नहीं है कि बहुत कष्ट उठा के कामान सेंस ग्रेटिफिकेशन करो. दिस बॉडी हैज नॉट बीन गिवन that you try very hard to do sense gratification. This is not the purpose. Because Vigbhujam is stool eater, pig. Because sense gratification a pig also does. Without as much labor as I am doing, the pig is doing hardly any labor and actually is enjoying sense gratification much more than me. I can generate 1 kid at a time. The pig, they generate 10-15 kids at the same time in one shot. So Rishabh Dev is telling this body has not been given to give trouble to it for sense gratification, because that is easily available in the life of a pig. Tapo Divyam Putraka. This Deha is for what? Tapo. For austerity and for tap, it is for that. Divyam, for transcendental realization. And for this tap, this body has been given. Putraka, O my dear sons. Yena, by which what will happen? Sattvam, the heart. Shuddhaye, the heart gets purified when you do austerity. Dasyamada, from which what will happen? Brahma Sakhyam, which is transcendental bliss one can get. So the same effort, if it is done for austerity instead of doing it for sense gratification, one's heart is purified and one reaches Brahma Sakhyam. Brahma means Brahma, Sukham. One reaches the transcendental bliss, Tva Anantam. Brahma Sukha is not limited. It is not going to expire. Yes, Mataji? Not limited. It is Anantam. So effort is same, but if it is used for Kashtan Kaman Purti, ट्रबल लेकर के बस लगे हुए हैं किसी तरीके से, और पैसा. By the time so much money is there, but the age is gone. Now he cannot eat, now cannot sleep, now cannot drink, nothing can do. But the same time, if this kashta is done for tapodivyam, then the heart gets purified and one can realize the spiritual bliss which is unlimited. Translation. My dear boys, of all the living entities, चलो रिपीट करते हैं ना साथ में, अच्छा रहेगा. My dear boys, of all the living entities who have accepted material bodies in this world, one who has been awarded this human form should not work very hard and day and night, simply for sense gratification, which is available even for dogs and hogs that eat stool. One should engage in penance and austerity to attain the divine position of the devotional service. By such activity, one's heart is purified, and when one attains this position, he attains eternal blissful life, which is transcendental to the material happiness and which continues forever. So this is the ऋषभ देव made it very clear. भैया जो भी करो austerity effort इसमें लगाना, because at the end of it, the moment the body leaves, all the things which are linked to the body are finished. House, car, bank balance, family. But if the same family is used for Krishna consciously, then that is the right way of living it. It is just the conscious. एक ये है कि ये मेरा सुनेंगे, मेरी करेंगे. एक once I remember, one Vaishnava was there. He was asked, महात्मा जी हमारे बच्चे हमारी सुनते नहीं है, क्या करें? तो उन्होंने कहा नहीं सुनते हैं तो इतना फंसे हुए हो, सुन रहे होते तो क्या होता? तो ये हाल है हमारा. So but the thing is, we have to do some activity all the time. So if it is, वो है ना VVIP, उसमें second V क्या है? There is value only if it is connected to Krishna. So कुछ भी करो, connect कर दिया तो फिर वो austerity will lead to this unending happiness. Connect नहीं किया तो it is useless, because यहीं छूट जाएगा सारा. I remember I went to one of the crematoriums, यहाँ वाला. So what they have a huge box. They open it, put the body, goes inside, finished. 5 minutes. This is the condition. But till the time that day comes, we can do this, then it is okay. Anyway, जाना तो है, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Okay. So 551 हो गया जी. हाँ, 551 का क्या समरी है?
Day and night.
Don't work too hard for sense gratification. Sense gratification will come on its own. क्या है वो? अजगर करे ना चाकरी और पंछी करे ना काम, और दास मलूका कह गए सब गए दाता राम. अजगर doesn't do anything better रहता है. इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि हम काम वाम छोड़ दें. Don't take it out of context. अपना जोर क्या है वो? माम अनुस्मर युद्ध च. हमें फाइट पूरी करनी है, लेकिन कनेक्ट करके करनी है. माम अनुस्मर, मेरा याद करते रहो, और युद्ध च, फाइट कस के करो और मुझे याद करते रहो. दैट इज द राइट वे ऑफ डूइंग कष्टान, राइट, डूइंग ऑस्टेरिटी. यत करोसी यतस्नासी. हाँ, दैट जगन प्रभु quoted some of our favorite shlokas were also there. न कर्म ने क्या था वो? मत कर्माकरण मत परमो मद भक्ता संग वर्जिता निर्वराई सर्वभूतेषु यह सा मामेति पांडवा. 5.5.2 क्या टाइम हो गया प्रभु?
9:11.
ओके, वी हैव सम टाइम. 5.5.2. सो फर्स्ट वाले का समरी हो गया. ह्यूमन बॉडी इज नॉट फॉर वर्किंग डे एंड नाइट फॉर सेंस ग्रेटिफिकेशन. सेम थिंग यू नो, इफ इट इज डन इन अ वेरी धार्मिक वे. अभी खाना खाना है सेंस ग्रेटिफिकेशन, बट प्रसाद इज नॉट सेंस ग्रेटिफिकेशन. भगवान ने दे रखे हैं तरीके कि यू कैन सेटिस्फाई योर सेंसेस ऑल्सो एंड हैव द थिंग ऑल्सो एंड स्टिल नॉट गेट ट्रैप्ड ऑल्सो. So this is available to hogs as well without effort, sense gratification. Body is to get the unlimited Brahma Sakhyam. This is his first instruction. Second instruction. Mahat Sevam
Mahat Sevam
Dwaram
Dwaram
Ahur Vimuktas
Ahur Vimuktas
Tamo Dwaram
Tamodwaram
Yoshitam
Yositam
Sangi Sangam
Sangi Sangam
Mahantas
Mahantas
Te Samachittah
Te Samachittah
Prashanta
Shanta
Vimanayavah
Manavayah
Suhrda
Suhrda
साधवोये.
Sadavoye.
सेकेंड उन्होंने क्या बताया? उनकी इंस्ट्रक्शन, महत सेवया द्वारम अहुर विमुक्तस. महत मतलब the great, the Mahatmas. Mahat Seva. If one does service to realize souls. Dwaram. Dwar means door. Ahur Vimuktas. Vimukta means mukta. If one serves great devotees, that is the door of liberation. He said. Door, there are two doors. Rishabh Dev tells. First door to liberation and devotional service. Because Mahatmas, Prabhupada writes later, are of two types. One is on the liberating side, one is on the devotional service side. But both are Mahatmas. Because at least better than me, liberate to ho gaya kam se kam, birth, old age, disease, death se. So Mahat Sevam Dwar Ahur Vimuktas. If one serves the Mahatmas, that is the door for liberation. Another door. तमो द्वारम. अगर तम वाला मोड ऑफ इग्नोरेंस वाला द्वार कौन सा है? योषितम ऑफ द विमेन. विमेन मीन्स हियर कामिनी फॉर मेल मेंबर्स the opposite sex and for female members the opposite sex. It is not just one way traffic. It's important, right? नहीं तो बोलेंगे क्या लिख दिया ये. सो तमो द्वारम. तम का द्वार कौन सा है? योषितम संगी संगम. जो लोग सिर्फ कामिनी के पीछे भाग रहे हैं वो द्वार तम का है. और संगी संगम, those who are associating with such kamini and such women, their friendship also is a problem. That is the dwar for tamo andham. Because if Mahat Seva is there, then there are Urdhva Lok. Even if not realized, but at least one will go up. But Tamo Dwar means Adhogati. Then Atal, Patal, Satal, Tulatal. One goes down. So two doors. One, if one is worship, one is serving Mahatmas, then door of liberation. But one is in Kamini Kanchan and with people who are in that and associating with those people also. That is the door of Tamodwaram, the way to dungeon of dark, hellish condition of life. Prabhupada translates Tamodwaram, the way to the dungeon of dark, hellish condition of life. And why by serving the Mahatmas the door of liberation is open? He explains, Rishabh Dev. Mahantaste samachitta prashanta. जो महात्मा लोग हैं, they have a high spiritual understanding and they are very their चित्त, their heart is very prashant, they are very peaceful and blissful. And vimanayavaha, they are without anger. Suhrid sadhavoye, they are friends of everybody. They want, for example, if you take the paras money and if you touch iron, what will happen? It will become gold. But Mahatmas are above that. When they touch somebody, they make them equal to themselves. Parasmani does not make equal to Parasmani. Inferior only, up to gold. But Mahatmas, they make others equal to them, equal to themselves. So translation, let us read. One can attain the path of liberation from material bondage only by rendering service to highly advanced spiritual personalities. These personalities are impersonalists and devotees. So दो तरह के महात्मा हैं, impersonalists and devotees. Whether one wants to merge into Lord's existence or want to associate with personality of Godhead, one should render service to the Mahatmas. He further writes, for those who are not interested in such activities, who associate with people fond of women and sex, the path to hell is wide open. The Mahatmas are equipoised. They do not see any difference between one living entity and another. They are very peaceful and are all fully engaged in devotional service. they are devoid of anger and they work for the benefit of everyone. They do not behave in any abominable way. Such people are known as Mahatmas. Prabhupada writes, human body is like a junction. कौन सी ट्रेन पकड़नी है डिसाइड करो भाई. बॉम्बे की लोकल पकड़नी है या फिर स्विस एल्प्स वाली पकड़नी है या फिर गोलोक वाली पकड़नी है. One may either take the path of liberation or the path leading to hellish conditions. Chaitanya Charitamrita mentions, please repeat, asat sanga,
असत्संग
tyaga,
त्याग
ए वैष्णव आचार.
ये वैष्णव
असत्संग को त्यागना ही वैष्णव का आचार है. असत्संग दो तरह का है. कौन सा? स्त्री संगी,
श्री संगी
एक तो कामिनी में फंसा हुआ, एक असाधु,
एक साधु
नॉन डिवोटी. दो तरह के. कृष्ण भक्त आर,
कृष्ण भक्त
तो कृष्ण भक्त जो है वो अलग है. तो दो तरह के संग से बचना है, स्त्री संगी और एक असाधु. अपना कनेक्शन उससे ही रखना चाहिए जो कृष्ण भक्त हो, भगवान के रास्ते पे चल रहा हो. एक्चुअली आप लोग एक्सपीरियंस करोगे, इफ सपोज you are reading Bhagavatam or anything you are reading, and by Krishna mercy suppose you get into this, I heard from the acharyas, and you get into little bit deep into it, immediately there the mind will attack through the Kamini Kanchan Kirti. Same time the thoughts will arise, because वो है ना, there is a exam at every stage. So once one is on this path, Maya Devi will come and test. किधर जा रहे हो? So when you are doing this thing, Acharya say, at that time Maya will send a test. You may be reading, but suddenly Kamini Kanchan Kirti thoughts will arise. अभी उस वक्त is the fight. This way or that way. So what Mahatmas are saying, even if thoughts are arising, it is beyond our control. But you keep doing what you are doing, keep reading or keep chanting. Then, if Krishna gives the mercy, then it will cool down. But if you stop this and listen to, वो है ना, once one fat lady was there in the train, and she had 5-7 kids, and this one man was sitting in the train. It was not reserved compartment, or reserved tha, but the lady and the kids had no reservation, and this fellow had a reservation. Coolly he was sitting. So this lady approached, एक बहुत छोटा बच्चा है, थोड़ा सा प्लीज इसको बैठा लो ना आप, he will be getting tired. So he man said, okay, no problem, sit. After 15 minutes, she said, look, I have 6-7, एक और आप प्लीज. उसको बैठा लिया उसने. फिर आफ्टर 15 मिनट्स वन मोर. ऐसे करते 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 द पर्सन वॉज कंप्लीटली स्क्वीज्ड, एंड देन शी सेड, सी आई एम वेरी फैट, आई हैव अ प्रॉब्लम इन स्टैंडिंग, कैन आई ऑल्सो सिट? सो ही गॉट अप एंड दे ऑल सैट डाउन. ऐसे ही माया देवी है. धीरे से वन किड विल कम, मतलब किड इज अ नॉट द किड, वन थॉट विल कम, कामिनी कांचन कीर्ति. ये थोड़ा सा कर लो बस, आई एम सेटिस्फाइड. एंड द मोमेंट यू स्टेप देयर, then second one will come, third one. By the time in the end we are away from what we are doing. So that is why association is needed to remind each other, because this is a case, it's without Krishna Kripa nobody can defeat Maya Devi. Devi eshi gulmayi mam maya duratya mame ye prapadyante maya metam taranti. He himself is saying it is duratya. तुम्हारी क्या औकात है? ये भगवान खुद बोल रहे हैं कि तुम कौन चीज हो. That day there was a discussion happening that Lord Shiva, मोहिनी टाइम, उनकी तो वाइफ ही दुर्गा मैया है, and he is running behind मोहिनी. So Prabhupada writes, don't be mistaken. He is not victimized by Maya. He is harassed by Maya. मतलब वो उनके कंट्रोल में ही है, बट हैरेसमेंट है उनके लिए भी, बिकॉज निम्न गाना यथा यंगा. So that's it, I think. Let's do some. We can chant or we can have. What is the time, Prabhu? Granthra Srimad Bhagavatam ki. Any questions, comments, realizations? Most welcome. Criticism. हाँ, उसमें दे रखा है परपट में. हाँ हाँ हाँ, पढ़िए.
स्त्री संगी एकाद असाधु कृष्ण भक्त आरा. So very specifically it is mentioned that कृष्ण भक्त के साथ में हमें संग करना है. When if your partner, if your spouse is not aligned with you,
Yes.
then what to do?
नहीं, पर देखिए उसकी भी डिग्री ऑफ उसकी भी डिग्री ऑफ डिफिकल्टी है. कुछ केसों में ऐसा होता है कि हस्बैंड या वाइफ या एक पार्टनर बोल रहा होता है बाहर गए अगर तो तुम्हारी खैर नहीं है. वो तो नहीं है.
I mean that
दैट इज ओके. देखिए, माई स्पाउस वॉज इन सो मेनी बर्थ्स बिफोर. क्या क्या हुआ मुझे नहीं मालूम. मेरे साथ क्या क्या हुआ मुझे भी नहीं मालूम. लेकिन भगवान ने साथ भेजा है तो पर्पस है. अब इसके चक्कर में यू आर डूइंग मोर एक्चुअली कि अरे यार बेटर सिचुएशन होनी चाहिए. सो यू नेवर नो. इट डजेंट मैटर एक्चुअली स्पीकिंग. क्योंकि एक एक्सट्रीम एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ मैं. वन पर्सन वेंट टू वन आचार्य. ही सेड माई वाइफ doesn't listen to me. I want to chant, she stops me. I want to go to temple, she doesn't allow me. And she says, ऐसा था तो मेरे से क्यों शादी करी? And if you will do all this, I will commit suicide. तो आचार्य said, let her commit suicide. So he was stunned. Then after half a minute he said, but if your desire is sincere, that person will completely change and will actually overtake you in your devotional service. Don't underestimate. अगर कृष्ण ने ठान ली ना आज हमने देखा विष की जगह विषिया मिली उसे. ये क्या है ये? मतलब इट्स अनइमेजिनेबल, राइट? Every place there is some miracle happening with this person. In our lives also we can see many times. I remember when I was doing first group of CA. So we had two partners in the CA firm. One was a senior partner, one was junior. Senior partner liked me very much. So therefore junior partner was jealous. यार ये तो अभी खाली CA का कुछ भी नहीं पास किया इसने, इसको इतना पूछ रहे हैं, मैं इसको छोड़ूंगा नहीं. तो फर्स्ट एग्जाम रिजल्ट केम. I was sitting in one company called Addy Industries, audit. कृष्ण ने ठान ली है तो मतलब ये है. So the result came. First group CA fine. CA का intermediate का first group. So he was there finalizing books of accounts with me. He said, Rahul, result has come. Let's go and see in the newspaper. I said, I don't like seeing my result in newspaper. No. Let's go. So he was pretty sure that ये बंदा लुढ़केगा. So we went. So we took out the newspaper. Close one tea shop was there. उसके पास में था. वो check किया. My roll number was not there. Fail. Then he told me, Rahul, यार ये ना CA है, ये BA नहीं है. बोला सही है भाई. You are right. So I was literally in tears. Anyway, then I reached home. My parents consoled. He said, so the parents said, do one thing. My brother is a doctor. He was in short service commission of Air Force. So he said, my mother said, do one thing. Go to Jamnagar, spend some time, become fresh, go to Somnath, go to Dwarka, थोड़ा एक चक्कर मार के आओ 15 days, then you start again, no problem, it can happen. Then I went to my office. In the office again, junior partner and all those were there. So the junior partner is telling me, अरे क्या है तुम्हारे लिए तो रीवैल्यू भी कर देगा सीए, रीवैल्यू करा ले. तो इन सीए दे डोंट रीवैल्यू द पेपर. यू कैन नॉट चैलेंज देम कि 10 में से आपने 5 क्यों दिए, वो दिए तो दिए, रीटोटलिंग हो सकती है. तो व्हाट हैपेंड इज आई हैड 200 marks out of 400 which was a pass, but costing was only 32. So he was putting salt to my injury. He said तेरे लिए तो रीवैल्यू कर देंगे, तू डाल देना. Anyway, I came home. I said they are torturing me like this. So my mother said, Bantu, why don't you do one thing? Might as well give for retotaling. I said, oh, I have got 60% marks in finance and next 3 attempts I don't have to give. I have got exemption. If 32 becomes 29 in costing, that exemption will go. That is the rule. Anyway, my parents said, you write one application and give. I wrote an application. I said, but don't give. And I went to Jamnagar. I went to Dwarka, here, there, apna kar a gaya. Behind my back, parents decided to give for retotaling. The risk was there because, agar ek mein I had 65 in CA is like distinction. But you need not give 65 marks next 3 attempts provided there is not below 30 in any other marks, any other subject. So this I had 32. If 32 becomes 29, then that is also gone. So they went. They were the last person to give the application form. It was the last date. When I came back, they told me. When I came back, I was very upset. ऐसे क्यों कर दिया? Why are you doing this now? I am even one exam which I could have not given, that also I have to give. Anyway, months passed by. I filled up for CA Group 1 and Group 2 intermediate because first one was failed. Same company I am sitting. Addy Industries. So my father called me. He said, Bantu, quickly come home. I said, I'm working. I cannot come because in articles you have to work, right? In CA. He said, no, come. So I had this Chetak scooter. I took that and went home. My father gave me one envelope. That envelope was from the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. It said, under the Act of Parliament, Institute of Chartered Accountant Acts 1988, following students have been declared successful in Group 1. In that my name was there. That 32 became 40. I also don't know because I was totaling myself many times. It was still 32 only I was getting. It's not explainable. I said, how is this possible? This is भगवान ने ठान ली है कि ये परेशान बेचारा पड़ा हुआ है नीचे. वी हैव टू टेल कृष्णा भाई हमारे बहुत गंदगी लगी हुई है. यू प्लीज एक्सेप्ट. है जी. So I took that paper and I went to the office. Their junior partner was also there, senior partner was also there. So junior partner immediately became wild. तुम्हें काम नहीं करना है, छुट्टी मांग ले आगे जाते हो, बीच में आ गए छोड़ के. Who will do finalization there? Go back. I said, no sir, result has come. What result has come? You have failed already. Next exam is after 2 months. So I took out the envelope and gave it to him. He opened it. He jumped and he ran to the senior partner and he said, Malik Sahab, इंज की हो गया. How is this possible? Malik Sahab was very happy because he liked me. He said, Kaka, see, पर वाला सुन ली था त्वेरी. मैं कहा सर, I don't know why it is happening, but it is happening. So इस तरह से भगवान चाहें तो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं और नहीं चाहें तो ट्रेन हमारी छोटी थी. You remember I was sharing with you, right? We took the train, we left one Laddu Gopalji home. Second Laddu Gopalji was with us. The train is going. वापस जाओ. ग्रंथ श्रीमद् भागवतम की, श्रील प्रभुपाद की, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की. हाँ भाई. प्रॉब्लम ये सब होने के बाद में भी देर आर डाउट्स. दिस इज द हालत तो ऐसी है ना माइंड की. हाँ भाई, आ जाओ आ जाओ. हाँ, हेलो. come children, both of you come. आ जाओ. नमस्ते नारद. केशवादी. अरे वाह. जय जय प्रहलाद महाराज. प्रहलाद महाराज. हे निताय गौरा. अरे वाह. निताय गौर हरि बोल. जय जय जय. श्री लक्ष्मण सिंह भगवान की, भक्त प्रहलाद महाराज की, निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे, सभी घट्टे बच्चों की जय. हरे कृष्णा.